Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I just wanted to go through the stuff that I'm bringing to Norway. I'm gonna be leaving in a couple days, so this is what it looks like now, and I'm just gonna go through it so you guys have an idea of what I'm bringing. So I think we're gonna start off over here. Of course I'm gonna bring my helmet and my helmet ski mask, so I don't so the helmet doesn't get dirty inside. I got the brackets back on the bike so I can bring my saddlebags with my dry bag for each one, so the stuff stays dry if some rain comes along. Norway, it's gonna happen. Did happen last time, and I just went there for a hike for a week, so there was some rain too. So it's gonna come, but hopefully it's not gonna be a lot. And then I'm bringing my Lewis Moto backpack for light stuff, something I want to have on quick draw once we are on the road, snacks, drinks, whatever. And then I got my bed sheets, because we're gonna be living at Airbnb places. If you're planning on bringing a tent or something with you guys, this is probably not the video, because we are renting Airbnbs and small hotels or motels around Norway, because we don't want to do deal with the hassle of having tents and everything with us. You don't want to be the guy who rides on a GS BMW and something like that. I mean, I have nothing against those guys. I just don't want to have so much stuff with me. So yeah. And then I'm also bringing a bag. This is not a dry bag, this is just for my laundry, so like when I have dirty clothes I can put it in that. And because I'm a big fan of Norway, I'm bringing the flag too, so I can get some nice pictures up there. And then I got my full rain dress, or suit, rain suit, that I can take over my leather suit if it really starts to pour down. Then I have a primary driving shirt I'm gonna be driving with all the time, because I don't want to switch every day. Call me nasty, but I mean, like, you're gonna smell anyhow. So I mean, I'm gonna bring t-shirts for certain occasions when we go out and eat and stuff, but I'm just gonna bring that for when we ride. And then also bring some long tights if it gets a little cold. And then I am gonna bring more clothes, but it's currently washing from my hike in Norway, so cannot put it on the bed right now, but I think you're gonna get the point. I wrapped one sock around the other sock with the underwear, so I got a fresh set every day. So yeah, that's how that works. I'm bringing a light jacket too, pair of shorts, and a pair of jeans, and I'm gonna bring 3 t-shirts, because I mean, we're gonna be on the road for the most of the time, but it's nice to have some clothes off in your bag, so like if you want to go out and eat and stuff, you don't have to do it in the motorcycle gear. So when you come to some nice place and you stay and you pack out, it's nice to have clothes that you can go out and eat in. So yeah, of course I'm bringing my leather suit. I'm bringing 2 different types of gloves. I'm bringing my winter gloves or rainproof gloves, and then my summer gloves if it's really hot. And then of course my boots too, flip-flops, gonna need that. And then a pair of just regular shoes. These are pretty compact, so that's nice. So that's gonna be easy to pack. Yeah. Also, there's a lot of nice lakes up in Norway, so I'm gonna bring my swim trousers and my goggles too. If there's gonna be some nice spots to swim. Then I'm also gonna be bringing my thermal canteen here, so I can have a cold drink once in a while, stay hydrated on the road. Also bring electrolytes. That works out pretty good for me. So get you pretty essential stuff. Microfiber cloth to your helmet, make it wet, and then just lay it over and let it sit for some minutes. Then you can wipe it clean. It's a nice thing to have along. Microfiber towel, I use that a lot for hikes. It dries really fast, so that's really nice to have along. Passport, of course. Bring your wallet if you want to. I'm not gonna bring mine because I have all my cards on my phone. Otherwise, my buddies bring card. I never do, so I mean, I'll take that risk. Moving on. Bring a nice pair of shades too. That's also a nice thing to have. Toilet gear, all around shampoo, toothpaste, toothbrush, some sunscreen, and yeah, just a little deodorant. So yeah, just little stuff. Don't bring a lot, because last summer I brought too much stuff, so it's just like when you start packing, you just starting to throw in stuff. So, but yeah, it's pretty personal, so bring whatever you like, but just it's gonna take a lot of room. Yeah, so and also bring my pills. I take fish oil and some other stuff, creatine, if you're some kind of workout guy like me. Also, I'm gonna bring a couple plastic bags with these clips on. These clips, if you buy any snacks that you want to close that doesn't have a ziplock or something. I'm also gonna be bringing my chain lubricant. So yeah, from Castrol. I do have the Scott oiler installed, as you might know if you've watched that video, but the Scott oiler, in my opinion, does not get in all the cracks of the chain, so I rather want to rely on having a real lubricant. Not that the Scott oiler isn't, but that's just my opinion. It's nice to have as an alternative, but I prefer having this. Cleaning my chain before we leave in a couple days, so I'm gonna be cleaning it tomorrow and then lubricate it fresh, so it's all good. I recommend you doing that too. Then I have my chest mount for my GoPro if I'm gonna go on some small hike, so I don't have to carry it, so that's gonna be nice. Use that on my hike too. And then I wanted to bring my selfie stick, but I just decided to bring my tripod, because I can just hold it if I want to use it. I don't feel the need to have something to extend. So yeah, then I'm bringing 2 power banks, because I don't really know where we're gonna sleep, if there's gonna be power available, or if we somewhere where we can't get power or whatever. So I'm bringing 2 of those. Power bank is always a good choice. Then this might be a little maybe controversial for somebody, but I'm gonna bring 2 sets of keys in case I'm gonna lose the other one. But I'll let that be up to you guys. And then I got some new stuff for these videos I'm gonna be making. I got the media mod for the GoPro. I got a Enduro 2 battery, which is the Mission 1. Should have a little bit more power on it, so that's convenient for long road trips. And I got the GoPro ND filters, so I can make nice blur effect once I get on the road and ride. And then I got a Rode Lavalier Go microphone with some rabbit fur, or whatever they call it, mini fur for the microphone, so reduces wind noise dramatically. So I think that's gonna be making some good videos with that. Videos are gonna come out about this stuff. I don't know when, but I am gonna review it for you guys, so unboxing it and showing you how it looks, and testing it out. Yeah, and then I'm bringing a little speaker with me, some charging stuff, my GoPro and my phone, and then the bag to it. Other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. Of course, this is just like a recommendation, but maybe some of you guys find it quite useful to see what other people bring. I love to watch videos like that too, so I have an idea of what to bring. I mean, like, there's a lot of stuff that you gotta have along for a trip like this, and you don't realize till you start packing. But I think I did a pretty solid a prediction of what I need and what I don't need. But I'll let it be up to you guys to comment if you have any recommendations of something I should bring. Then I can maybe pack it before I leave in a couple days. But yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for this video. Remember to subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a lot of cool videos, hopefully with some good audio with this new microphone and my media mod and the ND filters and everything. So I guess I'll see you in the next video.